My top boss, have you ever heard of a solar panel that is able to charge from both the upper part as well as the bottom part? Meaning that where the sunlight is hitting it from above, it is able to collect the power as well as from the below section. Today, I'm going to introduce exactly that. I'll also be introducing to you how these solar panels can be wired so that they can supply a three-phase system. Top boss, smash that like button if you're ready to learn today. My top boss, welcome to our today's session where we are talking about this solar plant that is here. These solar panels are what we refer to as bifacial. They charge from the top part as well as the below section, meaning that both parts of the panels are actually charging at any particular time. These panels feed the system whereby we have a three-phase operation. There is a dedication for each and every inverter whereby several panels have been wired to feed each and every inverter. The wiring in this place is so that a section of solar panels have been wired in series, and that section is fed to one inverter which now generates one phase, like let's say for this case a red phase. Another set of panels have been wired together to give a series connection that feeds the yellow phase. The same applies to the blue phase. These solar panels charge the battery through all the inverters. So this place is only supplied by the power that is harnessed from these solar panels. In the next video, I'll be sharing with you the powerhouse and how it has been wired, as well as introduce the workshop and share the machines that have been supplied with power from this solar panel system. Smash that like button if you are ready for that session, and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss an episode. See you then, my top boss.